The boom of AI in the healthcare sector. With the data science industry spreading its tentacles in every sector, it comes off as no surprise that has now clawed its way into the pharmaceuticals. And rightfully so, considering when it is properly integrated, it will not only give a faster performance, better implementation, but also process automation. Every major company uses data science in one or another way. So let's talk about the 5 major cases where it plays a significant role. Number 1, personalized medication plans. Second, improved drug trial. Third, genome editing. Fourth, patient follow-ups. And fifth, safety and risk management. But how so exactly? So let's talk a little in depth. Talking about personalized medication plans, you'd be surprised to learn how effectively and efficiently big data technology can handle and combine infinite amounts of data from multiple sources. A job that the companies consider pretty tedious in nature. Additionally, ongoing monitoring of the effectiveness of the treatment can help to improve and extend customized drug programs. Second, if we were to consider drug trials, the pharmaceutical companies would no doubt want to stop wasting time and money on finding the right mix of patients that is present for any given trial. And big data technology allows them to do so, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Unsurprisingly, quality data does indeed mean big saving. Third, genome editing, or a method that lets scientists change the DNA of many organisms, which in turn may lead to a change in the physical trait. Disease risk is actually happening and not a talk of the future anymore. Though it still has a long way to go before being implemented in therapies, AI has made the process a tad bit simpler, creating instances which could have a significant impact on the world. Fourth, keeping a record of the patient follow-ups is a gruesome task. Keeping charge of whether the person in question is actually on the right track with his medication and the various tests he has to do with time. But biosensors, sophisticated household appliances, smartphones, and so on have all undergone a great deal of development, making the process a little simpler. And on the plus side, pharmaceutical companies can now reduce the implementation time for future patients with comparable characteristics by gathering data from a specific patient. And lastly, how often do we come across an instance wherein we look up one symptom on the internet and end up with completely different diseases from different websites? Suffice to say, on practically any topic, the internet has what seems like an unlimited supply of knowledge, or maybe false information. So companies typically write scrapers and save large volumes of unstructured data using big data technologies like NLP, rendering redundant information useless after scraping. And there you have it, the major impacts of data science in pharmaceutical companies summed up in a single place. Even on an organizational level, the impact is tremendous. Automating such processes saves thousands of personnel hours and millions of dollars. For more such applications of data science and AI in the real-world scenarios, do remember to subscribe to our channel.